The Hyundai Pony Coupe concept represents the true design origin of Hyundai as an independent global automaker. Its story begins in the late 1960s when Hyundai assembled the Ford Cortina in Ulsan, South Korea. At that time, the company had no internal vehicle design capability. Determined to create Korea's first mass-produced domestic car, Hyundai commissioned Italian designer Giorgetto Giugiaro in the early 1970s. Giugiaro, then a rising talent, was tasked with designing Hyundai's first independent model. He produced several prototypes, including a two-door sports hatchback that debuted at the 1974 Turin Motor Show. The Pony Coupe concept featured sharp wedge proportions, a low nose, circular headlamps, thin pillars, and crisp geometric surfacing. The hatchback rear-ended abruptly in a cut-off cam-style treatment. The design language was minimalist, technical, and precise, hallmarks of Giugiaro's work of that era. Inside, the concept displayed a driver-focused cockpit with a floating dashboard, a single-spoke steering wheel, and analog instrumentation. The monocoque layout emphasized simplicity and functionality. The coupe's proportions were compact, roughly the length of a modern Super Mini, but lower and slimmer. Power was modest, a front-mounted 1.2-liter four-cylinder engine producing 81 horsepower, driving the rear wheels through a manual transmission. The production version never materialized. The 1979 oil crisis and global recession halted plans for export to North America and Europe. Instead, Hyundai launched the four-door Pony liftback in 1975. Although less dramatic, it carried forward the design DNA and became the foundation of Hyundai's early global expansion through 1990. The original coupe prototype was eventually lost. Nearly 5 decades later, Hyundai commissioned Giugiaro, now at GFG Style with his son Fabrizio, to recreate the car from original drawings. The faithful reconstruction debuted in 2023 at Lake Como before the Concorso d'Eleganza Villa d'Este. Built using period-correct techniques and mounted on original-era Pony mechanicals, the car remains fully drivable. The Pony Coupe's influence extends far beyond nostalgia. The hydrogen-electric Hyundai N Vision 74 draws direct inspiration from its proportions and surfacing. The Hyundai Ioniq 5 echoes its angular lines and pixelated reinterpretation of 1970s geometry. Even the DeLorean DMC-12, also designed by Giugiaro, reflects similar visual themes. Today, the Pony Coupe stands as Hyundai's design touchstone, a symbol of ambition during the company's formative years and a blueprint for its future innovation in electric and hydrogen mobility.